The next important chapter is storage classes. What is storage classes? So if I am declaring a particular variable integer a, so this will be stored in a particular place, right, in a memory. Okay, a is some 5, okay, b is c, b is 7, something like that. So if I am storing, so there are the storage classes or types of auto, static, extern and register. Auto means it's a default storage class for all the variables. So whenever if I am defining integer a or auto integer a, both are same. Okay, so this is auto is called as a default storage class for all the variables. For example, if I am saving as an a equal to 5, so after if I in a program execution, if I want to change it as 10, it is possible. Okay, in an auto storage class, or it is also called as default storage class for all the variable. So auto is a default storage class for all the variables. Okay, this is one type of storage class. And the next type of storage class is static. Static means what? We have defined that it is a constant value. It's a constant. That means the value does not change during the lifetime of a program. The value does not change during the lifetime of the program is called as static storage class. Okay, for example, if I stored pi variable is 3.14, it never changes until during the program execution or the lifetime of the program. Throughout the lifetime of a program, the value does not change. So that is called static. So you can remember mother. So the mother is never changed, whatever the child is, right? So you can remember static as the value does not change during the lifetime of a program. Yes, the next one is extern. Extern means give the visibility to all the program files. If I am declaring as an extern data type, extern, if you are declaring, before declaring data type, give the keyword extern integer a. Okay, so a is visible by all the files in the outside. Outside classes can able to access the variable a. That is called extern. Extern means give the visibility to all the program files. Static means it is a constant. So if I am declaring static float pi 3.14, then it does not change the value during the lifetime of a program. And extern means give the visibility to all the program files. Okay, and the last one is register. Register means it gives the high speed access. It gives the high speed access. The value stored in the register rather than RAM. So if it is stored in a register, I can able to access very fastly. For example, if I am going to access student phone number, access fastly, I can declare that particular variable as register. Register. What are the variables you are going to access very frequently or very important, very frequent and very fast? So that variable must be declared in the register. For example, register int s number. Okay, so this s number will be stored in a register so that you can able to access very fastly. Okay, what are the storage classes? Auto, static, extern, register. Auto means it is a default storage class for all the variables, and static means the value does not change during the lifetime of a program, and extern means it gives the visibility to all the program files, and register means which is used to access the variable with the high speed and the value stored in the register rather than RAM is, it will be very fast.